Has always symbolized freedom, but true freedom begins when comfort travels with you. Today, we explore a motorhome designed not just to move, but to elevate every mile of the journey. This is the Pasadena 38XL Super C, a luxury diesel motorhome built for those who demand power, space, and residential comfort on the open road. This is not simply an RV, this is a statement of lifestyle. The Pasadena 38XL belongs to an elite category known as Super C Motorhomes. Unlike standard Class C RVs, Super C models are built on heavy-duty commercial truck chassis. This means greater strength, increased safety, massive towing capacity, and superior road stability. Super C motorhomes are made for long distances, steep climbs, and confident driving, without sacrificing luxury inside. Under the hood, the Pasadena 38XL is powered by a Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine. With approximately 360 horsepower and enormous torque, this motorhome delivers effortless performance. Highways feel smooth, mountain roads feel controlled, and towing heavy vehicles becomes easy. Built on the Freightliner S2 RV chassis, the Pasadena 38XL offers durability trusted by commercial fleets, now refined for luxury travel. From the outside, the Pasadena 38XL looks bold and commanding. Its tall profile, wide stance, and aerodynamic front give it undeniable road presence. Large mirrors, LED lighting, and a panoramic windshield enhance both style and visibility. Below, you'll find huge pass-through storage compartments, allowing you to carry everything you need, from adventure gear to everyday essentials. Step inside, and the experience completely changes. Thanks to 3 expansive slide-outs, the interior opens into a wide residential living space. Soft lighting, premium materials, and thoughtful layout design create a warm, upscale atmosphere. High ceilings and wide walkways make the space feel open and relaxing, perfect for long stays or full-time living. The kitchen in the Pasadena 38XL is designed for real life on the road. A large residential refrigerator keeps food fresh for extended trips. Solid surface countertops, modern cabinetry, and high-quality appliances make cooking simple and enjoyable. The dining area provides a comfortable space for meals, conversations, and shared moments, just like home. At the rear, the master bedroom features a tilt-a-view king-size bed. It inclines for reading or watching TV, offering hotel-level comfort every night. For families or guests, the Pasadena 38XL includes bunk beds and a spacious cab-over bunk. The bath-and-a-half layout ensures convenience, even when traveling with multiple people. No crowding, no waiting, just comfort. Behind the wheel, the Pasadena 38XL feels confident and modern. A digital dashboard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps navigation and entertainment effortless. Multiple camera views improve safety and visibility. Advanced insulation and climate control keep the cabin quiet and comfortable in all seasons. Optional solar and power systems allow long off-grid adventures with Peach. The Pasadena 38XL Super C is ideal for families who travel together, full-time RV living, luxury road trip enthusiasts, travelers who tow boats, cars, or trailers. If you want strength without stress and luxury without limits, this motorhome delivers. The world is vast. The roads are endless. And with the Pasadena R38XL Super C, every journey becomes an experience of comfort, power, and freedom. From sunrise highways to quiet nights under the stars, this is where luxury meets the open road. The Pasadena 38XL Super C, built to go further,